Good evening and thank you for watching Fox 4 News. I'm Austin Sack. State data shows more than 800 Coloradans died of fentanyl poisoning in 2021. But a new bill confronting the state's growing fentanyl crisis is stirring controversy. In the past few days, lawmakers praised the bill, but as I found out, law enforcement officials are fighting it.
They should go to jail for a long, long time, and that's exactly what this bill does.
I'm very disappointed.
It shouldn't be dependent upon the amount that you distributed.
From 2020 to 2021 in Colorado, fentanyl-related deaths increased 50% and tripled from 2019. Law enforcement and legislators agree something must be done to fight back. The question is, House Bill 1326 enough to get the job done?
This bill gives law enforcement and the prosecutors the tools they need to put dangerous fentanyl dealers behind bars.
The state bill proposed Thursday increases penalties for distribution of fentanyl resulting in death, something state district attorneys have fought months for.
One of the crimes that's being created in this new legislation is a crime called distribution resulting in death.
The bill lawmakers are proposing means drug dealers selling fentanyl would face felony charges. What it doesn't do is make possession of 4 grams or less of fentanyl a felony. Police and sheriff's organizations statewide wrote a letter demanding felony charges for possession.
I'm very disappointed. Disappointed that possession hasn't been addressed. And when we're talking about fentanyl, we're talking about something completely different here. This is unlike any other drug that we have ever had to work through.
Because just 2 milligrams of fentanyl is deadly. Police say having 4 grams or less in Colorado should not be a misdemeanor, while district attorneys prioritize reducing the quantities for distribution rather than for possession.
That's not to say that we don't think it's important to eventually address possession, but given the political climate right now, we knew we needed to prioritize and do what was going to have the biggest positive impact on this community.
As the bill currently sits under consideration, District Attorney Rubinstein says nothing is unchangeable. Now, following the bill's announcement, the County Sheriffs of Colorado, the Colorado Association of Chiefs of Police, and the Colorado Fraternal Order of Police released a joint statement saying in part, quote, "This drug is so deadly that possession of any amount should have a felony consequence. Since no amount of fentanyl is safe, this coalition will seek amendments to elevate simple possession to a felony." The statement continues to say Colorado cannot afford to take small incremental steps to address the fentanyl crisis.